What's up, guys? We got a 2025 qx50s. All right, we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. So if anybody busts out the windows, try to get in, it's going to set off the alarm. Because right now, the only way this alarm goes off is somebody opens the door. Nobody's going to do that. They're going to break the window and jump in, and that will, so we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way you don't have to carry another fob around or nothing like that. If you go with adding any other alarm to it and have to carry a remote control. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. The alarm's gonna set off. Turn it off, I'm gonna rearm it. Once you arm it, you gotta give it 40 seconds, give and take. You're probably asking yourself the question why the dealer doesn't add the shock sensor to the cars already from the manufacturer, and it's because they don't want to deal with false trigger complaints that my cat jumped in my hood and the alarm went off on 4th of July fireworks and nothing like that. So they don't want to deal with that. So that way they make it so the only way this alarm goes off if the door's open, and doors don't open by themselves. So they will never see you in the service drive complaining about a false alarm. So the good factory alarm upgrade will be adding the shock sensor to it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. Sometimes we get emails, does it work on the other side? And yes, it does. Give it a few seconds. I want to make sure that the factory alarm has been armed, because some of these, you'll see a little picture of a little car, a little red car with a little key in it by the speedometer. Once that starts flashing and then it's ready for you. I think I waited long enough. And it's got remote start. I just started the car by remote control. I didn't install that. That came from factory. But just to rule out some emails, does it prevent my remote start from not working? And no, it doesn't. It has not. At least my kits don't have nothing to do with the remote start. The way we design these kits, everything in the car will continue working as advertised. The way you got the car before you even added the shock sensor kit. Anybody out of state can give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Out of state, we do sell the DIY kits prepped, ready to go, and we do provide you an installation video exactly filming the vehicle. So you can just follow the video and hook it up. I never had anybody who wasn't able to complete an installation. At least, we get a couple phone calls once in a while. They're on the right track. Numbers again is 305-298-4814. This is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm on this Infiniti QX50. And we thank you for watching this video. Anybody in Miami, no problem. We can come out and do the installation for you.